Hey guys, this is Harshit Kumar, a JE aspirant. I might be looking happy, but trust me, today's day was yeah, I will tell you about it later on. First of all, I actually forgot about a lot of things in the morning video. I even forgot the date. I said it was 19th. Well, it's 10th. Some people told me about that, and in the morning, I will talk about a lot of stuffs today, including the problems I faced because this is my first day. Okay, I have started studying after a while. So yeah, this is kind of my first day. So in the morning, I plan to complete electrostatics. First electrostatics, then sequence and series, and metallurgy. Out of those, the first two were okay. I will tell you in depth about that, but the metallurgy, I was not able to complete that due to, well, some reasons. Uh, I will tell you about that. And it's around 10:30 right now. So yeah, I am shooting this video a bit late because I plan to sleep at 10:30, but as we all know, nothing happens as we plan it. So yeah, the reason was I was using a custom ROM in my phone, and due to that, my camera application was not working. So yeah, I due to that I lost some time. And yeah, metallurgy, that was uh, okay, let's start with electrostatics. In electrostatics, the theory, I focused on the theory more cause I wanted to recall all the formulas. So yeah, electrostatics took me around 2 hours theory, and question practice, I didn't give much time. I gave it 1.5 hours. In that time, I solved previous year questions of electrostatics. Now the previous year questions, I had around I think 30 questions of JE Advance and around 20 questions of JE Mains. Out of those, I completed 50%. Okay, so 50% questions of JE Advance and 50% questions of JE Mains. After that, I started sequence and series. In sequence and series, I paid more attention to the questions. Okay, in a sequence and series, there are there aren't very much formulas aren't there. So yeah, it's basically AP, GP, AGP, and apart from that, the method of difference. Okay, so it's actually a vast category, the method of difference one. So I focused on different types of question and how to take assumptions and stuffs like that. And in metallurgy, well, I completed it almost 50%. I was not able to recall the name of all the ores. Yeah, there are too many ores in metallurgy. Yeah. So yeah, there were oxides. I In oxides I don't remember much. I remember chromite. I remember chromite, and then those magnesium and calcium ones, dolomite, calcite, and all that. Yeah, currently I don't remember all of them, and yeah. So yeah, electrostatics was okay. I When I read that after a long time, it was not that कि ऐसा नहीं था यार कि मतलब इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में कुछ याद नहीं था. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में बहुत सारे बात मेरे को याद थे. सो या इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स अगर वेल डिस्कस कर लेते हैं थोड़ा कि आज सुबह से क्या पढ़े एंड ऑल दैट. तो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में यार बेसिक से स्टार्ट होता है कि चार्ज मतलब दो पार्टिकल चार्ज चार्ज से स्टार्ट होता है एंड फिर टेस्ट ऑफ चार्ज. सो टेस्ट ऑफ चार्ज इज लाइक पता कैसे चलेगा कि चार्ज है कि नहीं. सो रिपल्शन. ओके, सो रिपल्शन इज द ट्रू टेस्ट ऑफ electrification. So yeah, it sounds weird, but yeah, that's it. And then the force formula, kq1 q2 by r square and all that. Then the important stuffs come, that is electric fields of different types. Electric fields of all I remember point charge, line, circle, semicircle, uh, and there were sphere and cylinder also. But yeah, and then potential. So yeah, potential of all those. In some cases, the electric field, you will not be able to calculate the electric field, but you can calculate the potential difference. So yeah, some cases were there. There were bit formulas in that. Then energy density, half epsilon naught E square, and then other types, Gauss's law, and cavity inside sphere. Yeah, cavity inside sphere is kind of important for JEE Advanced, cause when I saw the questions, there were, I think, around more than around three questions were there related to cavity in sphere. So yeah, that's a bit important. Then the metallic metallic object schemes in which the formulas change a little bit. Then equipotential surface, then grounding and all that, and by that electrostatics was done. In sequence and series, we all know it started with AP, GP, HP, then AGP. Then the main part was the method of difference. Well, we all remember the summation of x, the summation of x square, and the summation of x cube. What is important is what will you do if there is x की power k का summation. For example, you found a term जिसमें कि term is equals to x की power 4 plus something, and you don't know how to sum x की power 4. So yeah, pay attention to that. I have not made this channel to discuss all the stuffs in depth, so I won't be telling you everything here. But yeah, that was all about sequence and series. Metallurgy I already told you. So yeah, I said that I will be telling you about the problems I faced. Well, one of the problem I faced was, obviously I was not able to focus too much because it was my first day. So yeah, in the first day I planned, I didn't plan too much. Okay, I knew that it was my first day, so it will take me some time to adjust. So yeah, today I started with three chapters, one big, one medium, one small. Tomorrow I am thinking of doing around five small chapters. So yeah, you all know that there are 80 chapters and 20 days. That means around four chapter in a day. So yeah, that to keep the average around four, I will be trying to do six chapters. All of them are small chapters like uh, surface surface chemistry, and then stuffs like that. Fluid mechanics, NLM, work power energy, kinematics, and chapters like these. And in maths, I was thinking about doing trigonometry. Trigonometry, I know those. If any one of you are in 11th, you must be knowing that trigonometry is a big chapter, but in 12th it's actually pretty small, cause in 11th lot of basics were to be discussed, but in 12th we don't discuss basics of trigonometry. So yeah, so these were my plans of tomorrow. Some of them were saying that motivation. So let me tell you one thing. Okay, why I am making videos. Okay, so the thing is, I am making videos for my own motivation, क्योंकि मेरे पास पढ़ने का रीज़न बहुत कम बचा था. ठीक है, सो मेरे पास पहले रीजंस थे यार, बट आफ्टर अ वाइल रीजंस फेडेड यार. सो हम वीडियो इसलिए बना रहे हैं ताकि ये मेरे को मोटिवेट करे और पढ़ने के लिए. सो I will study, I will upload videos. So I will be trying to do that. Okay, maybe someday I won't be able to do that. Yeah, sometimes it happens, but yeah, I will try कि आने वाले 20 दिन में रोज हम अपना पूरा दिन डिस्कस कर लेंगे. और दूसरा प्रॉब्लम्स था कि हमको फोन यूज करने का आदत था. ठीक है, फोन स्पेशली आई यूज टू प्ले गेम. ओके, I used to play Free Fire. So yeah, I stopped playing from yesterday. So yeah, due to that also, मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा लग रहा था कि खेल लेते हैं, but okay, I didn't play it today. So yeah, that was a good start, and it's actually pretty late. I was thinking about sleeping at 10:30 so that I can take a 6 hours sleep and wake up at 4:30. But I don't think I will be able to sleep till 11:15 or 30. So I will wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. That is around 6 hours. Okay, 5.5, 6 hours. I think that much sleep is enough. So yeah, you have to find your motivation. No one can motivate you. Okay, so मैंने खोज लिया कि मैं वीडियो बना के मोटिवेट रहूंगा. तुम लोगों को खोजना पड़ेगा कि तुम लोग कैसे मोटिवेट रहोगे। एंड पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, वेल, कुछ लोगों ने मुझे कहा था कि आप मतलब अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बताइए। सो आई एम अ ड्रॉपर, ओके। I uploaded one video yesterday. The audio of that was not at all good. So in that video, I discussed everything. I told you about that, about myself a bit. So yeah, I am a dropper. Okay, so it's my second time, or you can say it's my fourth time, because I have given JEE Mains 3 times earlier. Uh, so yeah, so इफ़ यू वुड लाइक टू नो कि पहले हम कैसे पढ़ते थे, सो पहले भी मेरा ऑलमोस्ट सेम था। हम कोशिश करते थे कि हम 4 बजे उठ जाए और 10 बजे सोने चल जाएं। द रीज़न, आई मीन, ठीक है, बहुत लोगों को रहता है कि रात में पढ़ेंगे, आराम से उठेंगे, रात में पढ़ेंगे। द हम सुबह उठना इसलिए प्रेफर करते हैं ना, क्योंकि सुबह सिर्फ वैसे लोग उठ पाते हैं जिन्हें उठ के कोई काम करना है। ठीक है, यू कैन नॉट वेक अप अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई काम नहीं है सुबह उठ के करने के लिए। सो इफ आई एम एबल टू वेक अप एट 4:30 और 4, दैट मीन्स दैट आई एम मोटिवेटेड, आई एम डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड माई गोल्स। So that is the only reason I try to wake up at morning. You can study for 8 hours anytime. Even if you wake up at 8 a.m., you can manage to study for around 10-12 hours. So maximum, या एक और क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि मैं मैक्सिमम आज कितना पढ़ता था। सो माई मैक्सिमम वाज अराउंड 13 hours इन अ डे। या बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए नहीं था, अराउंड एक वीक हम 13 hours के लिए पढ़े थे बीच में। एंड यूजुअली इट वाज 10 to 12 hours सेल्फ स्टडी। So yeah, it sounds a bit tough, but yeah, it is possible. करेंटली आई अभी फिलहाल हम ये देखते हैं हम लोग सब कि हम लोग कितने देर पढ़ रहे हैं। एंड ये सबसे खराब बात होता है, क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं देखने का है कि हम पढ़ कितना देर रहे हैं, हमें ये काउंट करना है कि हम लोग कितने देर नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं। एंड हम बताए थे कि हम मंडे सुबह वाले वीडियो में बहुत सारी चीज़ भूल गए थे। सो या हम सुबह वाले में ये बोलना भूल गए थे कि यू शुड सब्सक्राइब। ओके, आई एम सेइंग दैट बिकॉज आई विल बी अपलोडिंग वीडियोज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे। एंड अगर आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेंगे तो आप मिस कर देंगे ऑलमोस्ट सारे वीडियोस। सो या सब्सक्राइब। अगर आप लोग मेरे बारे में और जानना चाहते हैं, या मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस, या फिर किसी को कोई डाउट हो, तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस हो तो आप लोग नीचे कमेंट कर सकते हैं। एंड अगर कोई कांटेक्ट करना चाहे तो मैं व्हाट्सएप में यूज़ करता नहीं हूँ, टेलीग्राम एंड इंस्टाग्राम, इन दोनों पे मेरे अकाउंट है। अगर मुझे सर्च करना हो तो मेरा आईडी है, दोनों में सेम है, curious_हर्षित। हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में ये डाल देंगे। एंड बाकी जो प्रीवियस वीडियो है वो भी हम डाल देंगे। सब्सक्राइब का यहाँ पे एक लोगो भी है। सो और जो कल जो वीडियो आएगा मॉर्निंग में, ठीक है, वो भी हम डाल देंगे। सो कल के वीडियो में अगर जिसको जानने का इंटरेस्ट है कि कल क्या रहेगा, सो मैं सुबह में अपना डे का प्लान डालता हूँ कि आज क्या पढ़ूंगा, एंड शाम में डिस्कस करता हूँ कि उसमें से कितने हो पाए। सो आज मेरा मेटलर्जी नहीं हुआ था। सो या दैट्स इट। गुड नाइट।